Here's the app called PayMe. Claim your money. Class action claims simplified. Cash out on hidden money waiting for you from the brands you already use every day. Claim in seconds. No proof for most. Get paid as soon as it's settled. 3.5 million claimed by PayMe users. PayMe helps you claim money from class action settlements and companies that may have misled or harmed you as a customer. Get paid from class action lawsuits. No lawyer needed. Every year, billions of dollars from class action settlements go unclaimed. PayMe helps you claim your share in seconds. Find eligible class action claims instantly. Answer quick questions, and PayMe matches you with active lawsuits. File claims in seconds. Track your payouts. So another one of these apps. And so yeah, here. So then you can just see in here. Actually, there are so many this software companies, like you're using iPhone, you're using PayPal, you're using, I don't know, all of these apps, Uber, whatever, and so that you can just instantly claim all of this money. Just you don't even know that that sometimes all these companies, someone sued them in some class action lawsuit, and you can just earn like $50 something. Which brands? So you can see Coca-Cola, Meta, Poppy, TikTok, Walmart. Which ones you used? So this is the idea. A lot on onboarding in here, quite long onboarding screen. There's a referral code, calculating results. So then you can see you missed out $365. App that pays for itself. And then see my claims, and then you can select annual or lifetime. Pay once $200 or annual. Annual they have, so let's see the price just for you. $40 per year, quite cheap. One-time offer, $30 per year offer. So this is all right. So basically they're just claiming this just like that, and claim offer, or I'm not in, and then you just delete your account. All right, so you can see the offers, but unless you pay. But yeah, basically, how to decide whether you need to upgrade. If you're actually using a lot of apps and you're quite sure that, for example, you used Uber or whatever, or Apple, and you can just Google like Uber class lawsuit, Apple class lawsuit. Just if you have 2 or 3 of them, you just can use this app and it will return you more than $30 definitely, because and it will just file everything for you. So kind of can be quite fun. Also, there are some alternative apps to that. There are like 3-5 different apps in this category right now, so that's what it is.